Okay, well, welcome to today's video, guys. We're going to be looking at exercise 1A from the Year 10 textbook, and starting right off, we're going to be doing every second question. So we're just going to go with question 1AI to begin with, and that one is 5A plus 9A. And what I like to think about these is, well, we've got our like terms here. They're both A's. So we can therefore say, well, 5 plus 9 is going to give us 14A there. All right, now moving on to question B1. You're thinking what I'm thinking, B1? Hey? We got 4A squared B minus 2A squared B, and of course, well, our letters are the same, right? A squared B, and so therefore these are like terms, and so 4 minus 2 is simply just going to be 2A squared B. Great. Okay, moving on to C1 now. We have 4, whoopsie daisy, wrong color. We got 4xy plus 3xy squared minus 3xy plus 2y squared x. Okay, now a bit of a tricky thing going on here. First of all, we have two different pairs of like terms. We've got the xy's, right, these guys here, and then we have the xy squareds, or the y squared x's. These are actually the same term because, well, let's think about it for 2 seconds. Let's say we had something like 2 times 3. Well, that's going to give us 6, isn't it? Well, if we had 3 times 2, that's also 6, and therefore we can say that x times y squared is the same as y squared times x. They both give us xy squared. Anyway, so we've got our like terms here. So we now have 4xy minus 3xy, and 4 minus 3 is 1, but remember in algebra we don't write the 1, so we're just going to get xy. And then, excuse me, and then we have the 3xy squared plus 2xy squared, which is going to be 5xy squared, and that is how the cookie crumbles, so to speak. Okay, so then 2a, just sticking with ESQ here, so we're only going to do the old askikmo. And that is simply, well, we've got 6a plus 4a. These are both like terms, so 6 plus 4 is 10a. 2c, off 2c the wizard. We have 5y minus 5y. And, well, it's the same thing, minusing itself, so the answer is donuts, mate. Or 0 for normal people. Then we've got 9ab minus 5ab. And same letters, so therefore these are like terms, and we can say, well, 9 minus 5 is going to be 4ab. Moving on to G now. 2G, we have 7b minus b plus 3b. Okay, well, just to break this down step by step, 7b minus b is going to be 6b plus 3b. 6 plus 3 is 9, so we get 9b here. Q, so next one along, that's going to be 4st plus 3ts squared plus st minus 4s squared t. Okie dokie. So, well, we got the STs and the S squared T's, or the, yeah. So, in this case, we've got ST here, and then we have TS squared and S squared T. So they're the same thing. And so, well, what do? We say, well, we've got 4 plus 1, so it's going to be 5 ST. And then we have 3 ts squared minus, so 3 minus 4 is going to be negative, and we're going to write it as s squared t because of alphabetical order conventions. All right, so that is question 2 all done. Moving on to question 3a now.